Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I will show you how IBB Cloud via Seafile technology works on web client. So first of all, you can notice here is cloud.ibbchannel.com. If you would have this cloud storage solution, instead of ibbchannel.com, you could have, let's say, your company name.com and your company's logo. So once you enter the web client, web browser, you can see there are many libraries and groups. So first, let's see what are the libraries here. So here I have my digital marketing group, so that's mine. And here I have my personal photos that I'm syncing with my phone. It's actually very convenient because I don't need to worry about cloud storage and other places. IBB hosts all my photos from my personal phone and other libraries. Here is my personal library that I am encrypted. So if I click on this, it asks a password, so no one can actually enter this library, and I'm not sharing this library to anyone, so no one can see it or ever enter it. So how do we create a new library? So here we have a button called New Library. Click on that. We can choose a name, test, and here we can choose to encrypt it or not and submit. So here we have this new library. We can choose to share this library or delete it. Let's say if I share this, I can share it to user. I can add password protection, or I can share to groups that are my working groups. Okay, so let's try to see what's inside the library. So here I have my test, it's empty, nothing in there. So let's try to upload some very important files. Okay, it's in there. So here we have a very important file hosted on the cloud. Okay, so what we can do with these files, we can download them to our computers. If I share this library to someone else, they can download this to their computers. We can share files, same principle. We can make, let's say, no password. We can add auto expiration, let's say maybe 2 days or so. So I generate a link, see what happens. I copy this link and then I send it to someone. So when someone opens it in their browser, they will see a very important file in front of them and they can download it right here. If I click on the direct download, let's see what's the difference. Then someone will open again in their browser, enter. Here we can see the file. There's no more button, just direct download. Okay, so now we know how to create a library, how to upload file to it, and how to share files. So you saw groups as well. So what are groups? Groups are, let's go here. Groups are just groups of people that are sharing files together. For instance, we have groups in different cities. You can have different groups of teams. So for instance, if I go to Shanghai group, I have my important file here already uploaded before, and other files that I'm sharing with my group or members of this group. So here the same, I can download files or share them, or I can delete them. So let's see what happens if I delete. Delete, bye-bye. Oh God, this was very important file. So how do I recover this? Here we have two buttons. One is called trash. So if I click on it, I can see that this very important piece of data was deleted 12 seconds ago, and I say I choose to restore it because it's too important to lose. Okay, so then we go back to the library. Let's go back to my group, all groups, Shanghai, and I have my very important file back where it was. But how do I know if someone didn't delete something important before? If I'm an admin of this group, I want to have a vision, or I want to monitor what's going on. So then I would go to history. So click on this tiny clock and I can see what's been going on in my group. So I can see that someone added very important file here. they deleted it or reverted it. So I have full control of what's been going on, and I can see way back that there are some, oh wow, some interesting files. I can view snapshots and recover these files. Okay, so there's so much for the web client. So remember, only on the web browser you can create new libraries, and on the computer client, PC client, you can only sync those libraries. I will show it to you in the next video.